Today is the day I go out for nature of a DrewTube Home, part 2 of the documentary. Today, this one will be a longer documentary for the fans because they've been wanting one for a year now, and today, finally give it to them. Let's go. Alas, nature of the DrewTube Home is finally here for part 2. I come to our first species, Samantha, in her unnatural habitat, but soon to be natural for the summer days, in her hammock. On her Kindle, she can be very dangerous, but today is surprisingly dangerous to a bug, no one else. She is very safe around humans today. It shocked everyone, wondering what I was doing and curious, like they do. I was not sure if her brain capacity could handle it, but I told her anyway, and once again the world was shocked that she understood. Our cameraman was lucky to get out there alive. Once again, we go back up to the front steps, where we find our next subject, sweet but deadly, the mom. No one has ever seen the sweet but deadly notice us recording, but it was caught today. We must very quickly get out of there, because otherwise it can be a real big danger. Come to our nicest species, Koji, the Pomeranian Chihuahua. How cute, right? And then our next peaceful and calm species, Arrow, the dog. We are not sure what he is composed of. All we know is he is a dog. And usually a very happy one, unless you are our neighbors. He does not enjoy neighbors. It is time for me to move up from the front steps onto the mount of carpet to get a better view on what is going around elsewhere. Owen, in his unnatural habitat, making food. How surprising. We have never seen anything like it. This is a brand new moment for mankind. I cannot wait until this happens again, but the odds of that happening are 1 in a billion. You guys are very lucky to be seeing him out of his natural habitat on camera for the first time ever. We try to get a better view. It does not work so much, but that is okay. We come to the species of Drew. Drew usually watches Yes Theory and travel videos, or soccer, aka football, because that is the proper name, but since we are broadcasting this in America, I have to use soccer. I don't know why. The Drew is on the hunt today, the first time we have caught it on camera ever before. He waits for his move. As the Owen turns around, he must peek to see what is going on and see if he can get closer to the cookie dough. Will he catch his meal, or will it get away from him due to our most dangerous subject, Owen? He takes it back. Drew gets closer. Spotted. He must act fast. Take the cookie dough or not. He pounces, takes it, and runs away. He then goes to search up stuff about Tuvalu, a country in the Pacific Ocean, which he wants to see before it disappears sadly. Look it up online if you want. He comes for the second day. Our cameraman is there. That's right, we were there 2 days. Back to the outside world, in which our next two species, Sweet but Deadly and Samantha, are bonding, doing nail polish. However, nail polish is not used for need. They use it as a pleasure, almost like hunting for sport. It is at last time for this to end, and we really enjoyed it. We cannot believe the many things we have seen today. This truly was a special episode. We hope to see you in the next one, and make sure to subscribe to DrewTube for more. Thank you.